So you've just seared a lovely piece of meat and there's a bunch of tasty bits left in the pan. It's time to make a pan sauce. A pan sauce, also known as a pan jus, is made by deglazing a pan with liquid, reducing it by half, and adding butter or cream. Add any flavors you like here: garlic, herbs, lemon and capers, balsamic vinegar and mushrooms. Go crazy. Here we have our pan after searing chicken thighs. The tasty bits that are left over are a mixture of fat, proteins, and caramelized sugars. Be sure to sear in a cast iron or steel pan in order to form these important little bits, which are an extremely flavorful base for our sauce. We have our ingredients prepped so we can make our sauce while the meat rests. Begin by pouring off any excess oil. Then melt a tablespoon of butter over medium heat, add spices and anything else you're using that needs sauteing. Cook until fragrant and tender, about 2 to 3 minutes. This is the time to add any ingredients that benefit from direct contact with heat. Next, add about 1 cup of deglazing liquid. We're using 3/4 cup of wine and 1/2 cup of chicken stock. Throw in herbs, citrus zest, mustard, and any other ingredients that need to infuse or simmer down with the liquid. Use a wooden spoon to scrape those tasty bits from the pan and integrate them into the sauce. Adjust heat as needed to maintain a simmer until the sauce is thickened and the liquid has reduced by half, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add more butter or cream to get a nice silky texture and taste. Adjust seasoning and add any finishing touches like citrus juice. Serve right away or strain out solids for a smooth sauce. And that's it! Sauté, deglaze, simmer, butter or cream, and you've got a delicious pan sauce for any dish. We're plating our pan sauce with seared chicken thighs, roasted potatoes and garlic, and haricot vert. This simple, versatile technique will serve you time and again. Enjoy.